This is the Amaran 200X LED light. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and show you what's inside and the basic functions. Let's get started. So this is the power cord. This is the connector with the lock. This is the reflector. Very solid metal build, and this is a bovine mount. So open this, you'll find a sticker and menu. This is the actual light. The exterior is all plastic, but it feels solid. It's not feel cheap, and it comes with a transparent plastic cover. When you remove the cover, you will see here it covered with a piece of thin glasses. It prevents if you accidentally touching the LED, maybe reduce its life. Look at the back, this is the LED and this is the knob for control, and this is the on and off. This is the power adapter. This is the power cord. It comes with the organizer, it's pretty nice, and this is the lock. So first we connect the power cord to the adapter. So once connected, it cannot pull off, so have to hold the button and you can put it out. The adapter is pretty heavy, so the good thing is it have a metal cord, so it can hang on the light stand. It's pretty neat. And then we connect the power to the light. So now we can turn it on. Actually, it's very bright. The knob on the left controls the color temperature. The knob on the right hand side controls the output. It's 1%, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so go for 10. Let's go for 30, 60, all the way to 100. It's so bright. And now we're gonna change the color temperature from the 2700K all the way up. Now it's 5000, 5600K. Now it's so bright, I'm gonna turn it down. Now I'm going to put it on the reflector. When you put it on twisted, you do nothing about it. It's locked automatically. When you want to take it off, you need to pull this knob off and you take this reflector off. When you put the reflector on, you will see the center is super bright and the outer area is not that bright. It doesn't give you the even light. Actually, you have a holder for umbrella, so it gives you extra function when you need it. Even the body was made of plastic, but when it comes to the connection, the holder here, you see here is metal. So when you turn it tight, it won't break. Amaran 200X is a budget-friendly video light. It's very good for content creators. I like it. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.